Welcome to our facility. While you are here, whether you are a visitor, vendor, or contractor, our first concern is your safety and the safety of our employees. The purpose of this video is to alert you to the potential hazards which are present at this site, as well as the safety rules we have put in place for your protection. Your compliance with these rules while at the plant is not only appreciated, but required. The most important thing you'll do today is return home safely. This is an MSHA inspected site. Safety is our #1 concern. Martin Marietta promotes a drug-free workplace. Refusal to submit to a test or testing positive can result in the immediate and permanent dismissal from the plant. No weapons or firearms are permitted on site property. Based on the reason for your visit, your work area, and the tasks being performed, you must comply with Martin Marietta's personal protective equipment, or PPE. Hard hats, safety glasses, and hard-toed boots are part of our minimum protective requirements. There will be signs posted throughout the facility reminding you of the PPE you need to wear. Additional PPE may be hearing protection, fall protection, and respiratory protection. Obey all posted speed limit signs and never exceed these speeds while on our property. Speed limits are strictly enforced. A variety of mobile equipment is used in our production and completion processes. At this site, you are most likely to see tractor-trailer and tandem dump trucks loading and hauling aggregates. Front-end loaders will move raw materials and place aggregates into trucks and/or haul trucks. Bulldozers will be working around stockpiles. Haul trucks will be loading in the quarry and transporting rock to the crusher. This mobile equipment may turn, stop, and travel in reverse without warning. These vehicles always have the right of way. Traffic patterns of mobile equipment will vary at different points within the plant. You must always be aware of and obey changing traffic pattern signs. When parking a vehicle on site property, no matter what type of vehicle you are operating, it is a requirement to place a chock under at least one tire. Many different types of moving machinery are used in the processing and finishing processes for our products. Beware of conveyor belts moving aggregates throughout the plant. Conveyor rollers, as well as head and tail pulleys along with these belts, pose serious hazards. Energy sources, including high voltage and low voltage power, must be identified. You may only work in these areas if you are trained and qualified to do so. Inspections and repairs occur in both the daytime and nighttime hours. All energy sources, whether electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or gravity, must be identified, locked out, and tagged out, and then tested to be non-operational before guards may be removed from equipment and repairs made. Customer trucks are constantly being loaded at the plant. The driver of the truck must stay in the cab during the loading process and must follow the instructions of the loader or equipment operator. Cleaning of excess materials must be conducted in designated safe areas. Drivers must wear hard hats and appropriate PPE while out of their trucks in safe areas. There are a number of different types of confined spaces at this facility. Entry is prohibited unless approved by Martin Marietta's management. Contractor work in confined spaces may not begin until appropriate training, monitoring of rescue equipment, and proper PPE requirements are reviewed and approved by management. While at work, you may encounter areas that contain fall hazards. These areas will either be equipped with proper guardrail systems, or you will be required to wear personal fall protection, including a full body harness. Drilling and blasting take place in the quarry. Only qualified and trained personnel may enter these places of work. All other persons must stay clear. When an alarm sounds, warning of a pending blast, all persons must move to designated safe areas. Once the all clear sounds, personnel may return and operations resume. There are open pits in the mine where water is collected throughout the years. Always stay at a safe distance from the water's edge. If you are required to work in any area in which you might fall into the water, you must wear a personal flotation device. Limit fire hazards by obeying all no smoking signs and warnings. Never smoke in areas with fuels, combustible chemicals, or solvents. Weld, cut, and burn only if qualified to do so. Set up welding shields as required, and always wear proper PPE during this work. Martin Marietta will identify the location of material safety data sheets and the specifics of our labeling system. If you transport or use hazardous substances on our property, please provide the proper MSDS to management. All personnel requiring MSDS must be trained in the HAZCOM standard. Your pre-visit training has included a review of Martin Marietta's site-specific hazard training and recognition checklist, an assessment of a site directional map of our facility, and a review of the location of our emergency assembly areas. If required, an employee of the facility will provide you with a tour of the various areas where you will be working. Your designated work area is the only area in which you are trained and permitted to enter. Emergency procedures and telephone numbers are posted at designated points around the plant. In the event of an emergency, please notify management to ensure proper action is taken. Martin Marietta thanks you for your commitment to safety excellence while on our property. The protection of all our employees, visitors, customers, contractors, and others will ensure the continued success of our plant's operations.
Guys, help!
How was your day, honey?
It was a great day. Everyone went home safe.